Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Emma, and she's coming today for a redesign. So I removed her previous set, which was just your basic French, just a normal French, and back down to the clear layout. We've prepped all the nails. Her pointer finger on this hand was off. She'd lost it that day. Typical. Nearly forgot to press record, and then I reminded myself that I need to upload a video, so I quickly set up. So this colour here that I'm using is a mix I made myself. It is of Snow White, Cherry Blossom, negligee, and clear, all mixed together, and it's gorgeous. So we're going to do 4 nails of that colour on the baby, the middle and the thumb. So the brush that I'm using is my brush that I'm bringing out. I've uploaded videos. I've been using this brush for about 3 months now, and I haven't mentioned what brush I've been using in any of my videos. I don't know if anyone's really noticed, but it was my brush I've been using. It didn't have a logo on it, so there was no way that I could flash it and show it off. It was just my brush that I was using with no logo on it. But now I have the finished pieces of everything that I'm bringing out, and my brush finally has my name on it, and this is the size 10. I wish I'd showed you in this video, but I forgot. Anyway, so my website is going to be live next Friday, so I think that's Friday the 12th, the 14th, Friday the 14th, I think. Sorry. And I've got brushes, just one brush, 2 sizes. I've got glitters, I've got tips. I'll be showing you more of these as and when I upload videos. Glitters, tips, and we've got files as well. So I'm really excited. I've been trying to hold this secret for so long now, and it's finally out there. So yeah. Anyway, the thumb I forgot to mention. I was so close to the camera that I just had to, it was so blurry, I just had to skip it. So, but it was just the same. So then we're going to move on to these 2 fingers that are left, and we're going to go in and do a base of Snow White. So yeah, we've put that base down and I've let it set, and now I'm going in with some gel polish. So this is just top coat, just a tack-free top coat, and then this is just some pink gel from the Gel Bottle Ink, and you put the base layer of the clear down first, just because it helps the gel separate, so it helps you to marble a little bit better. A little tip. So then with my brush, I'm just gonna try and blend this out and make it look like a marble as much as I can. I think the other hand went a bit better, but it's always the way, the hand that you're recording. Anyhow, so I'm going to do that on both, and then I'm going to come in with some black, and we're going to add some little more lines through the pink. So then just with some black gel polish again, we're going to do some like real squiggly lines across the nails and then blend some out. I didn't know what I was doing, if I'm honest. I wish I'd done it a different way, but I was going to do it with all acrylic, but I just thought no, I'm going to ruin it that way, so this is why I wanted to do it this way. But yeah, it still looks alright in the end. It looked lovely in the end. I really enjoyed how it turned out, but I was panicking. I wasn't panicking, but I was thinking, shit, what is going on? Anyway, so I'm going to do that on both of the nails. Sorry, my washing machine is on take-off mode. So now I'm going in with just a little tiny bit of glitter. I'm using one of my glitters called Vegas Gold. And I'm just going to add just a few little specks of glitter on the nail. So now we're going to cap those two nails in crystal glass. So straight in with filing, I'm using my Efile to debulk the cuticle area and just flatten out all the nails, make sure they're lovely, smooth and even. I'm using my flat top carbide bit for this, still my favourite. It's the one that someone bent, that Emmy probably bent, so I have to have it fall all the way in, which is I just hate. So I should probably just buy another one. I don't know why I'm being cheap. I'm not even being cheap. I just should buy another one. So I'm gonna, after I've done that, I'll file them with my Efile, and that's where I get my shape. And then we'll buff them lovely and smooth, and we are ready for top coat. So now we're going in with the Gel Bottle Ink Extreme Shine Top Gloss, because don't get me wrong, I do love this top coat, but I don't know what's happened to my I don't know what's going on in my life, but my CJP Tack Free Top Gloss is just gone. I've got two of them. They've just disappeared off the face of the earth, and I know that I hadn't used them all, so I don't know where they are. Anyway, so once I've done that, she'll I'll apply some cuticle oil. We used watermelon from NAFF stuff, and that is the set complete. Here's the final result. Girl, you know they're good. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.